Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking Sijan Bagee with Guyana black shrimps, fried Guyana sardine fish, and fried smelt. I have turmeric, jeera, fish seasoning, Indi Madras curry powder, garam masala, and black pepper. And I'm gonna add half of the seasoning, which is married man poke, green onion, garlic, ruri peppers, and onion. Give that a mix. I'm gonna add the other half of the green seasoning to the sardine fish. I'm going to add turmeric, Indi Madras curry powder, garam masala, black pepper, fish seasoning, and jeera. And I'm not adding salt because the fish seasoning have salt. We're gonna leave this for 1 hour. And then we will fry the fish. My oil is hot. I'm going to add the shrimp. Now I'm gonna add the grind onion. Ruri peppers and garlic. Now I'm gonna add the Sijan Bagee. We wash the Sijan Bagee, clean it, and blend it. So I have brown sugar, black pepper, salt, seafood seasoning, I'm gonna cover this and continue cooking, and then we will add the other ingredients. Now the water dry out, I'm gonna add the green onion and the star of the show, coconut milk. And we're gonna continue cooking this until it's dry. Now I'll leave the lid off of the Sijan Bagee and continue cooking. Now I'll add flour. Start frying. And I'm adding one at a time because I want them to come out nice and crisp. And the flour I'm using is wheat flour. And the first set is finished frying. While those are frying, I'm going to flour the smelt. These are finished frying. Now I'll start frying the smelt. And the first set of smelt is finished frying. And they had fresh, small smelt at the grocery store. So these are gonna taste really good. And the Sijan Bagee is almost finished cooking. And the Sijan Bagee is finished cooking. Here's my Sijan Bagee with Guyana black shrimps, fried smelt, and Guyana sardine fish, served with rice and my homemade pepper sauce. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.